Hello all, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Pennsylvania P5-A. 1931-32, Pennsylvania comes out with this lovely box cab here. The cab is way up front here, which proved to be problematic when there was an accident with one of these, fatal for the crew. So they redesigned the box cab here in 1935 using the designs of the new GG1 at that time, making it more streamlined looking, and turned it into the P5A modified. So here you have kind of like a mini little GG1. These are both scratch built. This is by Jack Bramble, built in 1934. Don't know who the builder of this was. They were both designed to run with outside third rail here, not unlike the prototype. Today we're going to run the modified one. This one's kind of unique. You're looking at a wood carved body. The entire body is all wood carved. The rest is scratch built underneath, probably dating mid to later 1930s. And we're going to be pulling some Scale-Craft cars, first generation 1934 to 1936. These are fiber sides, wood top, roller bearing wheels. These are all 1764s. So again, the engine and the cars are 1764s. So without further ado, let's fire it up and get it running. Thank you very much for watching. If you like old trains, please subscribe.